Welding EPE foam tubes in line with L and U profile machine. Welding with hot air, less material loss, and strong lamination. Adjustable width and height. Suitable for EPP, EX, PEE, PP foam, etc. Strong lamination can't be fall apart. Cut to desired size with manual vertical cutting machine. Wide application. Suitable for different packagings. Slotting shapes with slotting machine, so the EEP foam tubes can be folded. Width and height are adjustable. Suitable for many different foam products. Hot knife slotting. Accurate and easy to remove waste, and easy to be fold. It can put into carton box for packaging. Welcome to contact through WhatsApp +861351299251